to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Caitlin, and in today's video we are going to be doing another Lush unboxing. These are some of my favorite videos. You guys know how much that I love Lush, and I'm sure all of you watching this video know, but every year on Boxing Day, Lush does a big annual sale. It's the only sale that they have throughout the entire year, and they put all of their seasonal items on for 50% off. Unfortunately, I kind of slept in on the day of the sale. I didn't mean to, but I woke up much later than anticipated, and by the time I got on, a lot of the things were sold out, but I managed to get my hands on a few gift sets, which is incredible, and I decided to buy a few products that I need to stock up on as well. So I'm super excited to get this open and show you guys what I bought. So let's do that. Oh, you would think after filming so many of these unboxing videos, I would know how to easily open these packages, but I still don't. I still struggle with it. Whew, all right, there we go. It's open. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is a soap that I bought. It's still in the package, but this is the Snow Cake. Yeah, Snow Cake soap. So in brackets it says Ice Palace. I don't know if that was the old name or if that's what they're changing the name to, but this is the Snow Cake soap. I've never had this one before, but I know people love it. So I'm super excited to try it. I'm gonna open this up and see what it smells like. Okay, this reminds me of something, but I'm not entirely sure what this reminds me of. Oh, that's gonna bug me. This reminds me exactly of a scent. Okay, I almost ate the soap there. Wow. It smells good. It's kind of like a very fresh scent. It's more on the sharp side for sure. It's not a florally scent or anything like that. And it's very wintry. I do like this. I can smell, I think, a tiny bit of spearmint as well. There's kind of like a spicy side to this one. So I really like this. It's a really unique smell for Lush, and I think I'm really going to enjoy using this one. They put so many of these things in here. Here we go, I got them. Okay, so the first gift box that I got is this one here. This is the Glow gift box, which is a super fun, vibrant neon box. I love gift boxes, and I love that they put these on sale right at the end of the year because it makes them so much more worth buying for half off. So let's get this opened. I love this. It's like second Christmas for me, except for I bought the gifts. There you go. It smells so good. I can already smell this. Okay, so the first thing in here is actually a brand new product that they brought out for Christmas this year. And people loved it so much that I think they decided to make it an all year round product, which is awesome. I'm so happy that I'm going to be trying this now and that it was in this gift basket. But it is the orange shower scrub. I love Lush shower scrubs. I think they are incredible. I didn't try this one this year, so I'm really happy that they made it an all year round product and that I got my hands on it for half price, because that's always awesome. But I'm gonna give this a little smell now. Okay. You know what this is? If any of you had the solid orange scrub, I forget what it was called, but it was like a little tiny orange, and I got it in one of my recent hauls, and I knew that they were going to discontinue it at the time, and I was kind of sad about it because after I used it, it was a really amazing product. The only thing that I wished was there was a potted version, and I think that this is the potted version, so this is what they've replaced it with. And it is incredible. It is pure sweet oranges, tangerines, stuff like that. It smells delicious, and look at the color of that. The consistency is a little bit more watery than some of the other scrubs from Lush that I've had, but I don't have a problem with that. I think it'll be nice and gentle on the skin. And I'm actually really excited to give this one a try. Okay, and then the second product in that gift box is this one here. So this is another soap. Let me get this open because it's another one that I have not tried or smelled before, but I know it's like a classic. Everyone loves it. All right, here we go. Okay, this is really nice. I like this. It smells, okay, so this one is called Baked Alaska before I go any further, and I think it's supposed to look like the Northern Lights, which is super pretty and fun. And the smell is so nice. It kind of smells more on the citrusy side for sure than the first one that I smelled, but it's still a warmer scent. Like, it feels like almost like a baked good, but citrusy. I don't know if that makes any sense to anyone, but those are the vibes that I'm picking up from this. This is so nice, and I can feel that it's going to be super moisturizing because it's melting in my hands a little bit, and this is going to feel so nice. I already know. It kind of looks like there's snow at the top of it too. I don't know if you can see that, but it kind of looks like there's a little bit of snow or something, which is so much fun. Okay, and then the second box that I picked up from the sale was this one right here, and this is the little Snow Fairy box. So you guys already know that the two things in here are both going to be Snow Fairy scented. So let's rip it open and see what's in here. I was really hoping to get my hands on a couple of the Snow Fairy shampoo bars because I've been using that this year and I am in love with it. But like I said, I woke up late and most of the stuff from the sale that I wanted to purchase was gone. I also wanted to stock up on some bath bombs while the sale was happening, but they were all gone. This was the only gift box left that even had a bath bomb in it. Okay, so the first thing in here, like I said, is the Snow Fairy bath bomb. I had this for the first time this year and it's incredible. The smell is so good. It's like this really candy, sweet type of scent. It's really beautiful. It's not everyone's cup of tea. It is strong, but personally, I really like it. And if you do really like this scent, the smell lingers on your skin long after you take your bath, so that's so much fun. And the colors of this bath bomb are incredible too. It makes such a pretty pink pastel-y type of bath art. It's so pretty and it has tons of sparkles in it. So I love this bath bomb and I'm glad that I got one so that I don't have to wait all the way till next year to use it. I'll be saving this. The second thing in that box was the Snow Fairy shower gel, which I've never had before and I wasn't really planning on buying just because I have so many Lush shower gels and it's going to take me so long to use them all. But I am really happy that I did end up getting this one because I love Snow Fairy and this has all kinds of glitter in it, which is awesome. I didn't even know that there was glitter in it, so that's really cool. These little things last me forever, so I will actually be using this one probably until they release their Christmas collection for 2021. That's how long these usually take me to use up. So I'm really happy to have this and I'm really excited to use it because I love Lush shower gels and I particularly really love this scent, so I'm glad that I'm going to be able to use it. Unfortunately, those were the only products that I managed to get my hands on of the sale, but I did buy some regular products as well. Like I said, I wanted to stock up on some bath bombs, and I'm not going to take this out because it looks like it's falling apart, but it is the, oh, I'm blanking on the name. I'll put the name down here. This is the bath bomb that it is, and I love this bath bomb because first of all, it's got a really beautiful flower on top that just floats around in your bath, and it's covered in cocoa butter, so it's really moisturizing. But what I love most is the color. This turns your bath the most beautiful icy blue color. It's like nothing I've ever seen before. It looked like something out of Disney's Frozen, which is incredible. So I knew that I had to have this one. I was just really in the mood for an old favorite, so this is what I went for. And then finally, the very last product that I bought is actually a fairly new product. So quite the opposite of the last one where I was going for an old favorite. I wanted to try a new one that I had never tried before, and I've had my eye on this one for a while. It is the Beauty Sleep face mask. Now when I saw the promos for this, I knew I had to try it and I really wanted to get my hands on it. I just didn't. I hadn't been placing any Lush orders because I stocked up a ton before Christmas, so by the time they released this, I was like, oh, I really don't have an excuse. I don't need it right now. But since I was doing this order and I ran out of all my other Lush face masks, I decided to pick this one up. So this is this really gorgeous purple face mask, which is incredible. I love the color of this the most out of any of the non-fresh face masks that they have. And the smell is so good. So this smells exactly like Twilight or Sleepy. If you've had any product from that scent family, that's what this smells like. So it's really beautiful lavender vanilla type of scent. Ooh, I didn't even know this, but it's supposed to have a little bit of their gorgeous moisturizer in it, which is supposed to be an amazing moisturizer. I've never tried it because it's incredibly expensive, but it's really cool that they have some of that in here. So I imagine that this is going to make your skin feel really soft and nice, and it's also going to be quite relaxing because that's what Sleepy, the scent family, got famous for. It's super relaxing. People love to use it before bed because lavender calms the mind. So that's really incredible and I cannot wait to try this. I will keep you guys posted on how I like it. But you guys, that's everything that I got for this haul. I had so much fun opening this. I'm really excited to use these products because a lot of them are new to me and they're not necessarily things that I would have chosen on my own. The sale kind of forced me to try new things, whatever was left. So that's what I did and I'm really looking forward to giving these products a shot. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. I have big plans for the next few videos, so stay tuned. And comment down below, let me know if you guys got anything from the Lush Boxing Day sale this year. I would love to hear it. But until next week, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!